All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Is it gonna turn on? Oh, 11 Black. GoPro. Let's GoPro, baby. All right. Oh, it wants me to do stuff. English. Oh, you can touch the screen. Agree. Turn on to tag your flight location speed. I think right now, like on or off? Turn on. Huh, might do that. All right, gotta do this stuff. So download. All right, so I have to do this stuff. You just download the app. This is the GoPro app, the quick app. And yeah, she's a beaut. So excited to get amongst the, be back in GoPro land and having a little buddy here. All right, thanks again, guys. I'm really leaving this time. Peace.